Good evening and welcome to the YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. My name is Lyndon Baptiste and welcome everyone to the channel to also as well. If you're interested in ways to learning how to build credit, how to increase your credit score, how to get approved for loans and lines of credit on the business and the personal side as well. Maybe you want to get business funding, how to make extra money off of credit cards, it's like a side income, how to travel the world for free, get approved for mortgages, car loans with all the lowest payments that is available today. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button, hit the bell for notifications too also as well. That way you would never miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. I want to say a special thank you to our 1,500 subscribers that we have right now. I know that our channel is still new. We just started our channel in May. So we're very grateful to be able to get to 1,500 subscribers at this time. So early on in the game, actually, we were very fortunate to make it to 1,000 subscribers by June 14th. That's when we actually monetized our channel. So we're very, very fortunate for that. Very grateful to all of you viewers out there who have subscribed, who've been watching our videos. Right now we have almost 100 videos on our channel where we talk about how to build credit, how to increase your credit score, and we talk about other events that's going on in the credit world today. So a special thank you to all the 7 people who are in here in a live chat with us right now. If you're here with us, go ahead and hit the thumbs up button, which is a like button, and make sure that way YouTube will promote this video to more people, so that way we can get more people to watch our videos too and get our views up too also as well. So thank you to everyone who have joined. So make sure you hit the thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed already, make sure that you subscribe. So tonight's topic is going to be, we're going to be talking about how you can get the most cash back at the movie theaters. As you all know, there is a new movie coming out. It's coming out on December 20th, right around Christmas time. So it's coming out at a good time, right around the holidays. And the name of that movie is Star Wars. It's called Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. We heard about the movie in David's WhatsApp group. That's David from Travel Explorer Click. And we looked up, saw the trailer and everything. It's a very exciting movie that is going to be, and a lot of you definitely, if you're into Star Wars and you're a Star Wars fan like that, it's definitely a movie that you definitely want to check out too. So we're thinking about checking that movie out too also as well. So we have our first comments. I'm going to recognize some of the comments and questions here before we start into today's topic. So right now we want to say a warm welcome. So everyone, please give a warm welcome to David Amex King Moss. David Amex King, how you doing there, good brother? Good to see you back once again. Thank you so much for joining us in another live stream. And by the way, David has his own YouTube channel. He just started it, and actually he made some good videos on his channel where he had some, difficulties with his Chase Sapphire Reserve card, and he made a few videos about it. So you definitely want to check out his channel because he's going to be making more videos too. So you definitely want to go to his channel and subscribe to also as well. So if you see his name here inside of the live chat, just click on David Amex King Moss. Go to channel, and then when you get there, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell notification so that way you won't miss anything, any of the videos that he makes as he makes them on his channel too also as well. David says, just got some Uber Eats and ready for another great live stream. Yes, thank you so much, David. Really appreciate you. Also as well, if you're looking to contact us, on social media, all the links to follow us on social media can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel too also as well. If you need to email me, my email link is there. If you need to join the Patreon, you can join the Patreon and support the channel too and receive exclusive material there. The link is at the bottom of the About section of this channel too also as well there. And join our Facebook page, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Join our Facebook group, How to Get Excellent Credit, and too also as well. And this broadcast tonight is being broadcasted on 5 different platforms here on our YouTube channel, How to Get an 800 Credit Score. Also, it is on my Facebook profile, Lyndon Baptiste. Also, as well, is on our other Facebook group, 2 other Facebook groups that we have. One about Jill Stein, the other one about GoFundMe sharing. So it's going to be on 5 platforms right now. So if you're a part of any one of those groups, or if you're on Facebook and you're watching this live stream live from there, then go ahead and hit the like button and let us know that you appreciate this video and you're liking this video too also as well. And leave a comment. Let us know that you're in the building too also as well. So everyone, if you can see the video clearly and you can hear the audio just as clearly as well, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. Again, if you can see the video clearly and you can hear the audio okay, go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. Someone says to take the light, back the light up away from my face. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, because apparently the light that I have there is a little too bright though. Is that a little better for you guys? Let me know inside of the comments. If you can see the video clearly and the audios look good, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments. That way I know everything is okay there. Also want to give a warm welcome to Janelle too also as well. Janelle says hello and welcome. Everyone, glad to be here as well. She's waving in the background there. I'm sure you guys can see her probably. So thank you so much for joining, Janelle. And Janelle has always been a blessing to this live stream too also, because she helps me, keep track of comments. If I missed anyone's comment or question, she always lets me know. So we have a message from the WhatsApp group. David's WhatsApp group says the lighting is a lot better. So thank you for saying that. I appreciate that. To who's that coming from? Who said that? Who was Mr. that? Choco. Oh, Mr. Chocolatazo. How you doing, buddy? He did it on WhatsApp. Oh, okay. You're on the WhatsApp. Okay. Well, I don't see you here in the live. He is? Okay. Okay. I need to go further down the comments then. Okay. Well, I'll get to you there pretty soon there. Janelle says hello to David Amex King Moss. How you doing there, David Amex King? And let's see who else we have here in the house. Ronald Anderson is here. Everyone, please give a warm welcome back to Ronald Anderson. Ronald Anderson, thank you for joining us once again. Ronald says, hi, Lyndon and Janelle. Hello, everyone. I'm back home in Connecticut, New Haven. That's awesome. Awesome. I'm glad to see that you're home once again. I guess you got some time off from work, and, that's always a good thing. I have time off this week. I'm on vacation for the rest of this week. Started my vacation Monday. So today's Wednesday. So I'm into the 3rd day of my vacation. And Monday morning, I will be going back to work. So I'm trying to get in, as many videos and live streams as I can while I'm on vacation here. So that way we can give you guys a little more content here on our channel too also as well. Let's see any other comments that we have here. So everyone, please say hello to Ronald Anderson and David Amex King Moss and Janelle Leoni too also as well. Janelle says hi to Ronald Anderson. Glad that you're home and safe. Yes, glad you're home and safe. Mr. Chocolatazo, Mr. Chocolatazo. I hope I'm pronouncing that right. Mr. Chocolatazo, how you doing there, buddy? Everyone, please say hello to Mr. Chocolatazo, who is back once again. I appreciate you coming back once again to another live chat and joining us. So everyone, please say hello to Mr. Chocolatazo. Mr. Chocolatazo says, peace, King. How are you? Well, I'm doing fine. On vacation, as I was saying earlier, until Monday, I get to go back to work. So now I'm pretty much, got some time to relax. As you can see, my face, I'm not shaved. So that tells you how relaxed that I've been, since I've been enjoying my vacation. So everyone, please say hello to Mr. Chocolatazo too also as well, who says, good evening, credit card family. Yes, that's awesome. Awesome. Good to know. Glad to see you guys are, conversating back and forth. Okay, so David Amex King Ma says, types the number one inside the comments. That's awesome. Awesome. Okay, so glad to know that the video and the audio is clear. Jay Knight, we have a new person here in the live chat named Jay Knight. Welcome to our live stream, Jay Knight. Glad to see you here. And you're always welcome here in our live stream. Feel free to comment as much or as little as you like. To also as well, if you see any questions inside of the comments you'd like to answer, go ahead. Take a swing at it. No problem at all. So everyone, please say hello to Jay Knight, who is our new person. Also want to say a warm welcome to Alberto Santoyo, who says number one, which means the audio and video is okay. Awesome. Welcome, Alberto. Thank you for joining us once again. Everyone, please say hello to Alberto Santoyo, too, as well. Roses for Me is back in the house, everyone. Everyone, please give a warm welcome to Roses for Me, who says, good evening, Janelle and Lyndon. You're coming in clearly and audio is perfect. Thank you so much for joining. I appreciate, the super chat too. Also, Roses for Me, really, that helps out the channel tremendously. And also, by the way, people, we can receive super chats, and super chats are welcome. If you'd like to support the channel, go ahead and send us a super chat. We gladly appreciate that too also as well. Thank you so much. Everyone, please say hello to Roses for Me too also, by the way. And Jay Knight says, good evening all. Yes, thank you for saying that, Jay Knight. So everyone, if you haven't already, please say hello to our new person, Jay Knight. Okay, Alberto Santoyo says hello, Ronald, Chocolatazo, and Janelle. Okay, yes, hello all, welcome. And okay, Alberto saying hi to Roses for Me. And okay, so I guess that's all of the comments for now. So again, if you're in Facebook, if you're in one of our Facebook groups or coming from our Facebook page, go ahead and say hello and let us know that you're in here too, and also give us a like too also as well. So everyone, please say hello to Alberto Santoyo. We have another new person here by the name of Valentin de la Cruz. Valentin, welcome to our group too also as well. I did skip your comment here. Valentin says, good evening. I am Chocolatazo's brother. Yes, welcome. Thank you for referring Valentin here, Mr. Chocolatazo. I appreciate that. And you're always welcome here in the live chat, Valentin. Feel free to comment as little or as much as you like. If you see any questions inside of the comments you'd like to answer, go ahead and take a swing at it too. Valentin is new here, first time here. So everyone, please say hello to Valentin de la Cruz too also as well. Okay, awesome. So Roses for Me. I skipped David Amick. Okay. Let me see. If I gotta go back in a second, I'll get back to David. Roses for Me says, Janelle, I'm feeling better. I had a nervous stomach and stress from Bob the Builder. Bob the Builder, huh? Okay, yeah, we just finished watching his video not too long ago. So yeah, he made a great video about how to grow your YouTube channel too also as well. Awesome content there. So everyone, if you're watching, you definitely want to go to Cakeology's channel when you get a chance, not now, but after this live stream is over, and subscribe to his channel. Show the brother some love. He's making some great content, and give him some likes and share his videos too also as well. Hit the bell notification so you won't miss any of his videos. He likes to talk a lot about business credit, how to build business credit and grow your business too also as well. So great brother, great information that he's sharing there on his channel. David Amex King Moss says, good evening. I guess Janelle is telling me that I missed your comment, David. So I'm going to go back and see.
At Lyndon.
At Lyndon. Okay, that's the one I missed. Sorry about that, David. Yes, so David Amex King Moss says, at Lyndon, I enjoyed your last video. Are you going to ever get a credit card from a big bank? Yes, I will. David. Sure. Janelle answered that. Janelle said David Linden will actually get one, but he is in the garden till 2021. Yes, David, back to your comment there. Yes, I will be getting a credit card from a big bank in the future, but right now, as Janelle said, I'm in the garden until 2021 because I have the majority of the accounts that I have on my credit report since I've been started building credit in October. Yes, they are from banks that are not big banks. However, the majority of them are disqualify me for 524 with Chase. So I only have, I think, 3 or 4 credit accounts that I opened last year between October and December, which I believe is four accounts. So I would still have to count 2 years from when I opened those accounts between October and December, which will put me at somewhere between October and December of 2020, which will put me at 424. Yeah, I'll be at 424, and I will be eligible to apply for my first Chase card. My goal is to go for either the Chase Freedom or the Chase Freedom Unlimited, from which I've been hearing about those cards. They're really great cards. Great cashback and rewards too also as well. So I'm definitely want to make that my goal to enter into that Chase trifecta. And then I believe after that, I'm going to apply for an Amex, because Amex is known for giving out, some decently high limits. So once I get an Amex card, then I'll go back over to Chase again and apply for my second Chase card, and then eventually my third Chase card, completing the Chase trifecta. And then hopefully I will be still under 524, so that way, I can still apply for something else and still qualify for more Chase cards from that point. So I am predicting somewhere around between October and December of 2020 when I will be getting my first big bank credit card. But for now, I'm in the garden, as a lot of us say on this channel, and Dwayne's channel too also as well. I'm in the garden, with my credit. I like to say, a lot of I'm marinating my credit, so I'm not applying for any credit cards whatsoever until October of 2020. And that's going to benefit me a lot too as well, because a lot of my hard inquiries are just going to fall right off of my credit report. After a year of each one of them, when I first got them, the points that I lost from those hard inquiries will return to my credit score once again and cause my credit score to go up. It's already started happening. One of the hard inquiries aged, or 1 or 2 of them had aged over that 1 year mark, and that's why my credit score went up to 752. If a lot of you have watched that video that I made here on this channel, it was a live stream. It's called Good Credit News Today, where I got into detail about that. So I'm very happy about my credit score now, 752. So it definitely will not hurt me to just stay in the garden, not apply for anything. It will only benefit me, because all my accounts will age, will get more positive payment history too as well. My average age of credit will go up. In the meantime, my hard inquiries will drop off. So the only thing that will happen is my credit score will continue to go up. So hopefully I will be close to 800 credit score by that time. So let's see, did I miss any other comments? Because what I'm going to do is I think I'm going to get to a few more of these comments before I get into the topic. Okay, let's see, where was I? So that's the thing, I have to kind of backtrack once I back up and get into someone else's comment. Okay, let's see. I'm still going down. Unfortunately, I cannot see any of the comments from Facebook. That's another thing, babe. I need to. I need to follow this thing on Facebook too. That's the thing. Okay, hold on. So that way I can check the comments. Okay. I'm just keeping track on Facebook too, because I can see the comments here on YouTube. But I know in the last live stream that we had, I could not see any of the comments from Facebook. So I'm just making sure that I check everything. Okay, so far so good. I don't see any comments yet that I need to address from Facebook. Okay, awesome, awesome. Okay, roses for me, said Janelle. I'm feeling better. Had a nervous stomach and stress from Bob the Builder. Got some bananas. I should be fine. Okay, awesome. So let's see. Where am I at in the comments? Mr. Chocolatazo says, please like and share the video. Yes, thank you so much for sharing that. Roses for me says, Bob is a piece of work. He asked me to do things to boost my to boost the channel, and the people need info from him. I know he's busy, but I'm playing secretary, personal assistant, etc. I know people. Well, that's nice of you, Roses, for helping Bob out like that. Because
a piece of work.
That would definitely help his channel out a lot, like tremendously. So that is definitely huge. Jonathan Upshur, welcome back, buddy. Thank you for joining us once again. Everyone, please say hello to Jonathan Upshur. Glad to see you back again. He says, hello, Lyndon and Janelle, how to build an 800 credit score family. Yes, thank you and welcome back. David says, just got my 19th credit card this week. The Citi double cash, 2% cash back on everything or 2 times. Thank you, points per dollar, your choice. That's an awesome card. I was checking that out just today. Actually, we were looking at that as well. So that's awesome. Congratulations, everyone. Please say congratulations to David Amex King Moss. Roses says he is awesome. He knows about me. We are from the same people in customs. I'm scared to tell him the credit repair people took my money, got my info, and closed down. I've got to get the DA. Okay, you're talking about Bob from Cakeology. Okay, well, I'm glad to see that you're helping them out there, Roses. Ron Fischetti is back once again. No, Ron Fischetti is a new person. We have another new person here in our live chat named Ron Fischetti. People, everyone, please say hello to Ron Fischetti, too, also as well. We always welcome here, Ron. Feel free to comment as little or as much as you like here, too. And everyone, please say hello to Ron Fischetti, who is this is his first time in this live chat with us. Alberto Santoyo says I was approved for care credit for dental work and vision.
Awesome.
That's awesome. Everyone, please say congratulations to Alberto Santoyo. Okay. Roses for me says I'm a former professional singer, actress, model, opera singer, etc. The people want answers yesterday. He doesn't know who I am. Okay, I see that. Well, thank you for sharing that. Roses for me. We have another new person here, Dave Sincere. Thank you for joining us. I guess he says he came over from Dwayne's channel, How to Build Credit TV. And by the way, everyone, if you're interested in ways to build credit too, also as well, you definitely want to check out Dwayne's channel. Is called How to Build Credit TV. He does live streams every Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time. And we're always there in his live streams, giving him the support too also as well and enjoying his content there. So again, you definitely want to check out How to Build Credit TV. Live streams every Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time. And we are always there giving him our support. Janelle and I too also as well, and our How to Get an 800 Credit Score family. Dave Sincere says, what's going on, everybody? Greetings from Atlanta. Came here from Dwayne's channel. Yes. Everyone, please say hello to Dave Sincere. He is a new person here to our channel and our live streams too also as well. So thank you so much for stopping by, Dave. If you see any comments or questions you want to answer or address inside of the live chat, feel free to do so. Ron Fischetti says, quick question. What's the normal score increase when you dispute something and it's removed? Wife got a 35-point increase. Okay, Ron, definitely you do get an increase in points when a collection is removed, okay, or a late payment, right? But collections, it all depends on the age of the collection, how old the collection is. If the collection is a brand new collection, like less than a year old or less than 2 years old, it can be worth a lot of points. I mean, it could possibly up to 100 points, okay, or maybe even more than that. If it's an older collection, say more over 5 years old, then it may not be worth that many points, because the older a collection is, the less impact it has on your credit scores too also. So that's one thing to take in consideration. If your wife got a 35-point increase, then I'm assuming that that collection is pretty old. It may be, I'm guessing, over 4 years old, but I could be wrong. I don't know. Okay. But a lot of times someone said it like this, and I kind of understand why they said that. They said that these credit scoring systems, sometimes you think you understand or why they scored your credit score the way they did, and a lot of times we don't. We think we do, and a lot of times we don't. For example, the Vantage scoring system has a totally different scoring system than the FICO scoring system does. Okay, so I mean, we could think like I said, we could think, but sometimes we don't. Like I thought I would only get maybe a 5-point increase in my credit score, because of oh, that's good. We got a like on Facebook. That's awesome. Let's see who that like is from. Thank you so much for liking. We have a like from Blanca Espinoza. Thank you so much for that Facebook like, Blanca. I really appreciate that too, also as well. And thank you for watching. Really appreciate you. And so I mean, I thought I was just going to only get like a 4 or 5 point increase in my credit score, but I ended up getting over 12 points added to my credit score, which put me at 752. Awesome. So right now we have over 21 people here inside of our live chat right now. So everyone, please hit the thumbs up button, especially if you're on YouTube. Hit the thumbs up button. If you're watching on Facebook, hit the like button. It definitely helps YouTube to spread the video, put the video in front of more people too also as well. So, but thank you for that question, Ron Fischetti. I really appreciate that. And congratulations to you and your wife for getting her a 35-point increase in the credit score. So everyone, please say congratulations to Ron Fischetti too also as well. Alberto says hello to Ron. Mr. Chocolatazo says, check your Experian for 524. Chase, run that file. And if you're not over %24, you're good to go. Yeah, I don't really need to check, Mr. Chocolatazo. I'm over 524. I check my Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion every day. I'm way over that. I'm way over that. The accounts that I had, like I said, I just started building credit in October, right? So all the credit accounts I got, right now I have over 7 credit accounts, all right? And that's not including the authorized user accounts that I have or have had since I started building credit in October. So that puts me way over 524, okay? So I'm out of that. Chase cards, I'm not even going to waste my time applying for that until between October and December of 2020. But thank you for asking, Mr. Chocolatazo. Really appreciate that. Ron Fischetti gives a thumbs up. Thank you so much for that. D. Anderson is in the building, people. Welcome back, D. Anderson. I like the video you just made. You came out with, I think you were talking about the Capital One Savor. Yes, we're going to talk about some of the Capital One cards tonight in our topic. We just haven't gotten into our topic yet because I tried to recognize some of the comments real quick. D. Anderson says, greetings and respect to all working overtime on YouTube. LOL, respect to all. Yes. Thank you for saying that. D. Anderson, really appreciate you. So if you just came in the building, just stop by. The topic for tonight is going to be, we're talking about the new movie from Star Wars. It's called Star Wars, The Rise of Skywalker. The Rise of Skywalker, Star Wars. Okay, the movie's coming out on December 20th, right around Christmas. So if you're a Star Wars fan, you definitely want to check it out. And what we're talking about tonight is how you can get the most cash back, earn the most money, by, going to the movie theater. If you are the type of person who likes to go to the movies, or you simply like entertainment things, like streaming services or any of those things, but mainly we want to focus on the movie theater tonight. We'll save those other topics for other live streams or videos too also as well. And if you see a topic that you would like discussed here on our channel, just let me know inside of the comments or email me. Actually, it'd be better if you just email me or leave a comment after this video is over, so that way your comment stays up there so I can see it. I could go back to it for reference if I need to also as well. So everyone, please say hello to D. Anderson. Okay, so let's see any other comments that I need. I have not looked at. Keep going. Janelle says, Ron Fischetti says it was 2 years old, but hey, thanks for the answer. Yes. Well, 2 years old is pretty, it's not that old, but then again, it's not that new. So 35 points, I don't know. I don't know. But I know those things like collections are worth more points if someone has a lower credit score. So if your credit score is in the 500s, then one collection can be worth a lot more points on your credit score. If you have a high credit score and you have a collection on your credit report, then that collection is really not worth that many points. If your credit score is already like 750 or 700, 720, 710, then that collection is really not that worth that many points. Okay. Raquel Pryor, welcome to our live stream. Thank you for joining us, Raquel. Appreciate you. And we have a new person. You're always welcome here, Raquel, in our live streams. Welcome to our channel, too, also as well. If you see any questions inside of the comments you'd like to answer them, go ahead. Feel free to do so. So everyone, please say hello to our new person, Raquel Pryor, too, also as well, who has a question. Will some credit cards close your card if you dispute their inquiry? Will some credit cards close your card if you dispute their inquiry? Yes, Raquel, they will. For example, I'll tell you one that I know for sure. My Jewelers Club, they will close your credit account if you dispute their hard inquiry, and they say so inside of their terms and conditions on their websites, myjewelersclub.com. So basically, if you're trying to get hard inquiries removed or deleted off your credit report, you want to dispute some of them, do not dispute any hard inquiries that you have open accounts with. Okay, reason being for that is because those creditors that you have those open accounts with right now, they can close down your account. If you have a credit card account, say with Chase, and it's open and you want to all of a sudden you want to dispute that hard inquiry, Chase can close down your account. They can close your credit card down and shut you down, and they may not even remove the hard inquiry either. Okay. So you definitely do not want to dispute hard inquiries that you have open accounts with. Now, on the other hand, if there are credit accounts that you don't have open right now, that's just, like say something that you applied for and you did not get approved for it, then yeah, by all means, you could go ahead and dispute that. That's not going to affect you in any way by disputing it. Okay. If you have any hard inquiries that's on your credit report and they are not open accounts that you have, go ahead, feel free to dispute that. So yes, we have another Facebook like from Luis Sanchez, which is my brother. Thank you for the like, Luis. I really appreciate that. I'm just checking the Facebook comments too. Kevin Jackson and Denise, thank you so much for watching and liking. So these are all from Facebook there too also as well. So yeah, so that's all the likes that we have from the Facebook. Okay, so moving right along. So everyone, please say hello to Raquel Pryor. Dave Sincere is saying hello to Alberto. Thank you for the, I really appreciate the back and forth too also as well. It's awesome, totally awesome. S House is in the building once again. Welcome back. S House says, what's up? Just got off Dwayne's channel. How you doing? And Janelle, S House says, how you doing? We're doing great. S House, thank you so much for asking, and welcome back once again. To everyone, please welcome back S House. So I know I said it before, but yeah, so people, you definitely want to check out Dwayne's channel, How to Build Credit TV. I've been watching his videos on his channel since I started building credit back in October. And actually, some of his videos are part of the reason why I decided in October to start building credit. So you definitely want to check out his channel, How to Build Credit TV. He has live streams every Monday at 7 p.m. Central Time too also. We have another person here, I believe. Okay. Yeah, another new person here on our live stream by the name of Gary Bluen. Welcome to our channel and our live streams, Gary. So everyone, please say hello to Gary Bluen too also. Gary says, hey there, question. Were you on Experience Twitter or Periscope stream yesterday? Yes, I was, Gary. It was the Experience Periscope stream. And I don't know if I was in like I was in one or two of them yesterday, I believe. One of them was from Experian, and I had asked that question. The question that I asked was, do credit cards from big banks build credit better than credit cards from non-big banks? And his answer was basically no, they both build credit the same, and they both impact your credit score the same. So that's kind of was the reason why I wanted to make that video that I made yesterday. And definitely people, you want to check that out. It's talking about Cashback, and it's here on his channel. It's a video I made yesterday. It's only a 7-minute video. You definitely want to check that out. Thanks for asking, Gary. And everyone, please welcome Gary Bluen. Everyone, please say hello to Gary Bluen if you haven't already, too, also as well. Dwayne is in the building, people. Dwayne says, what's up, you guys? Yes. Thank you so much. Dwayne, I really appreciate you. We were just talking about you a couple of times, too, also as well. So, yeah, if you're watching this video now in the replay, you definitely want to go to How to Build Credit TV's channel and subscribe and check out his videos on how to build credit. But thank you for stopping by, Dwayne. I really appreciate that. Ron Fischetti says, yes, the scores are so different. Mine goes up on Credit Karma, but Experian hates me, does not move. Yeah, so there's going to be differences between the three credit bureaus, Ron. For one is that people like me, for example, I have some credit accounts, have authorized users too, authorized users that I had that don't have anymore. But some of them report to only one credit bureau. Some of them report to two credit bureaus. Some of them report to all three credit bureaus. So that's kind of why my scores are different. I mean, I got a 752 on my TransUnion, but then again, I have a 735 on my Equifax. So, I mean, that's crazy. And then I got a 746 on my Experian. So, I mean, they're all different, but I know the 746 and 752, the Experian and the TransUnion are close, not too far, 6 points away. But I mean, the Equifax is like 735, so that's a way lower than 752, almost 20 points difference, almost, right? So that's the reason why my scores are different between the three. You know, so if I was applying for something like a mortgage right now, the mortgage lender would be using my middle score to give me a loan, which is 734, and they would not be taking the 752 or, you know, the lowest one. Actually, they would not be taking the 734 because that's my lowest. They would be taking the 746 because that's the middle score. That's what it go by. Okay. So yeah, I definitely see where you're coming from there, Ron. For sure. Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV left a $19.99 super chat. Thank you so much, Dwayne. Really appreciate that super chat. And you know, we will be back on your live stream, dropping you some more super chats where those came from too also as well. I really appreciate the love, Dwayne. And you know, we're all fam here. So, you know, we definitely will be supporting you too also as well. So thank you so much for that $19.99 super chat, Dwayne. Really appreciate you. Ron says hi and thanks. Hi to all and thanks. Roses for me has a message for you. Dwayne says, is she subscribed? And we'll be in contact with you. Lyndon, Dave, also, we are all in this together as a family. Yes, that's what I was just saying, Rose. Us, how to get an 800 credit score. Dwayne, how to build credit TV. Dwayne, Dave, Travel Explorer Click. Bob from Cakeology. Flashpoint. Jason, Wells Rock. We're all one big credit family. We're all one big family. We support each other too, also as well. Because of David from Travel Explorer Click, I got the opportunity to meet other YouTubers too, such as Ace Live. I got a chance to meet him. Got a chance to meet Love Crossing Borders, Andrea and Andre. Got a chance to meet Travelmatic. Well, not in person, but here on YouTube, I'm saying. Drees. Who else did I leave out? Richie Rich from Roll the Tape. Couldn't forget about him. You know what I mean? Well, I learned a lot about Colombia, Cuba, and the Santo Domingo Republic from those brothers, So they all treat us all as fam too also as well. So I appreciate it. I appreciate the love, and, let's keep this thing going. My brother there, Luis Sanchez, is on YouTube now. No, this is from Facebook, a Facebook comment, people, from Luis Sanchez, who says, hi. Thank you, Luis. Really appreciate that. Thank you for stopping by in the building. And everyone, Luis Sanchez, he has his own YouTube channel, too, also. He's a DJ, and he interviews artists, hip-hop artists, reggaeton artists, all different type of musical artists. So you definitely want to check out his channel. I don't know the link, but Luis, when you get a chance, can you drop the link here inside of this live chat so everybody would know what your YouTube channel is? And Luis is going to be making more videos too, also, because I kind of asked him today. I was like, hey, bro, you got to make some more videos. I seen him like posting a lot of videos like on Facebook, some concerts that he went to and everything. And I'm like, oh, those are awesome videos, brother. But you got to put some of those videos on YouTube for sure. Okay, so thank you so much for stopping by. So everyone, please say hello to Luis Sanchez if you're on Facebook. Probably on YouTube, you may not be able to see his comment, but if you're on YouTube, go ahead and say hi to Luis too. If you leave a comment, you say hi to Luis. I'll go ahead and put it up here on the screen so that way he can see it. Alberto Santoyo says, I'm thinking to get Aero Mexico US Bank secure credit card, but I got 5 inquiries. What do you recommend me to do, Mr. 800? Well, I don't know too much about that credit card, the Aero Mexico, but I will have to get back to you on that. It's called Aero Mexico. I would definitely look at the card, and I will tell you what I think about it for sure. Okay. So let's see. D. Anderson gives some thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, D. Anderson. Really appreciate that. And Roses for Me says, wow, any Star Wars movie is good to be a blockbuster. Yes. We're going to get into today's topic. I'm just going through some more of the comments, trying to get to the end of the comments, and then we're going to start. Okay, I know it's been almost 45 minutes, but we're definitely going to start on the topic. So just in case you maybe have to get up early in the morning or something, it's going to be a while before we get done here because I haven't even started the topic yet. All right. D. Anderson, thank you so much, brother. Appreciate that. Dave Sincere says, going to the movies, I get more cash back by smuggling my own food in with me. The concessions are ridiculous. I hear you, Dave Sincere. Gotta, you need some good food in there. And maybe you save some money, by taking your own food too, because I know some movie theaters, the popcorn is expensive. The sodas are ridiculous. The average movie ticket is about like $9 at least, depending on what state and where you're at too also. So S House says, I hear you guys putting in for all these credit cards, and I want to know, how does this affect and getting a new card with a lot of hard inquiries? Some cards, it can be difficult to get with a lot of hard inquiries. I know American Express is not too hard inquiry sensitive, but if you have too many hard inquiries, even American Express will not look at you. Okay, so you definitely want to keep that on a wrap. How many hard inquiries is too much? A lot of people asked that question. Someone in the Facebook group asked that question over this weekend. And the answer is, according to discover.com, and also according to the CFPB, Consumer Financial Protection Bureau, and my FICO forum, 6 hard inquiries is too much. Okay, 6 is too much. All right, it shows instability. It shows that, and a person with 6 or more hard inquiries, they say has a high potential of declaring bankruptcy in the future. So that's what they're saying. And according to discover.com, 6 inquiries is too much. And that's coming from Discover. Okay. And Discover is hard inquiry sensitive. If you have too many hard inquiries, Discover will not approve you. So you definitely want to check those hard inquiries, keep them under a wraps. That's why a lot of people tell you, maybe you should only apply for 1 credit card every 3 or 4 months. And that's good, because in 2 years, that would keep you would be about, 8 hard inquiries in 2 years. And by the time you hit the 2-year mark and you have the 8 hard inquiries, they drop off. Okay. So that's kind of a decent strategy, not too bad. Okay. So you want to apply for 1 credit card every 4 months. If not, if you can wait a little longer, make it 6 months. Those hard inquiries, they do hit. If you have a lower credit score in the 500s, or maybe you have a credit score, a middle credit score, like in the 600s, where you have somewhat good credit, like up in the upper 600s, then you want to stay away from hard inquiries as much as possible, because they hit harder the lower your score is. And if you're in the upper 700s, you're in the 800s, you're in the low 700s, hard inquiries don't hit you that hard, but they still hit. It will hit your credit score and affect your credit score, drop your credit score too also. So, but you want to think of what's best for you too also as well. I mean, where you're going, what your goals are. You're trying to travel the world for free. You're trying to get the most cash back. If you're looking to make money off of credit cards, then, whatever is your priority, that's what you want to focus on, right? And if you really need that credit card and it's going to make you more money, by all means, go right ahead. Then you won't have to worry about hard inquiries, anything like that. But if you are like trying to stay in the Chase ecosystem, or you're trying to get to the Chase ecosystem, then you want to kind of, slow down on those credit card applications, All right. So let's see. Any other comments?
No, keep going.
I'm checking them.
New people.
Oh, okay. Janelle left a comment in Facebook, says, hello, Luis Sanchez. How are you? Thank you for saying that, Janelle. I'm glad I'm able to see the Facebook comments today, because the last time I couldn't see. Okay. Ricky Glenn, welcome back once again, says hi, just checking. So everyone, please say hello to Ricky Glenn. Okay, Bodyguard 856 is back in the building. Hello, Bodyguard, and welcome back. What's up, guys? How's everyone doing tonight? Capital One secured card finally gave me a $500 credit limit increase. Congratulations. That's awesome, Bodyguard. Everyone, please say congratulations to Bodyguard 856. I think you did mention that in either Dwayne's live stream or David's live stream a while back. Or was it? No, I think it was in our live chat when we did the premiere video yesterday. But that's awesome there. Everyone, please say congratulations to Bodyguard 856. Just got a $500 credit limit increase from Capital One secured card. That's awesome. A lot of people got some good news today. Glad to see that. Mr. Chocolatazo says, yes, they will close your account if you dispute. Yeah. So it goes back to what I was saying. That was for Raquel's question. Yes, if you have an account open and you dispute the hard inquiry that they gave you when you first applied, yes, they can close your account. Will they close your account for sure? That's not guaranteed. It's their choice whether or not they want to close it or not. I can give you an example of when they will not close it. I have a Wells Fargo account. I got a hard inquiry from one from a business account I opened with them, a personal account that I checking account that I opened with them, and a secured business credit card that I opened with Wells Fargo. I disputed the hard inquiry. Did they close my account? No, they did not close my account. So that's why I'm telling you, it's their choice. But can they close it? Yes, they can close it, and they will close it if they want to. If they want to do so. So I would recommend do not dispute hard inquiries that you have open accounts with, especially if you want to keep that account open. Dwayne says, I'm a Star Wars fan for sure. Okay, yeah. So that reminds me, we got to get started in this topic. I'm going to try to get through the comments as quick as I can here. Janelle says, I am a big Star Wars fan. Awesome, awesome.
I am.
Dave says, yeah, she is a Star Wars fan. Huge Star Wars fan, because she just told me her favorite characters are Yoda, and what's the other one? Wicca. Wicca is his name. He looks like a big furry teddy bear. Real cute. You know?
And two other ones.
Wicca and two other ones. I like Skywalker, and tell you the truth, I like R2-D2. Okay. Darth Vader is cool too. I mean, he's just a cool cat, in my opinion. I don't know. I know he's a bad guy and all, but he's just cool. He's cool. I mean, real cool. Dave Sincere says, damn, I had no idea they would try to push for closing your account if you dispute inquiry. Yes, they will push to close it because in their eyes, it represents some type of dishonesty. I mean, you have an account open with them. You're using the account. You've been using the account for a long time. And now to them, the way they're looking at it is like, I mean, he's disputing a hard inquiry, saying that it's not his and da-da-da-da-da. And, you know, to them, that's how they look at it. You know, a form of dishonesty. That's how they look at it.
Keep going.
Okay, so let's see. Mr. Chocolatazo says, we have 16 people in the chat. Please like the video so others can come in. Yes, people, hit the thumbs up button. We need some more likes on our video, so that way we can get more people to come inside of the live chat too, and we can push the video out and get it in front of more people. So everyone, please hit the thumbs up button, and definitely share this video as much as you can. Social media, Facebook, share the video, but definitely hit the thumbs up. Okay, very important. Raquel says hello, everyone. Yes, thank you, Raquel. Really appreciate you. And let's see, any other comments here? Okay, Ron Fischetti says, I don't smuggle food in. I let them know I'm diabetic and I need certain foods and snacks. It works. You know what? That's awesome, Ron. You know, a great way to save you some money when going to the movie theater. Just bring your own food. That's a great thing to do there. Smart thing to do. Okay, awesome. Alberto Santoyo just left a $4.99 super chat. Thank you so much, Alberto, for sharing your hard-earned money and donating to the cause here on our channel. I appreciate that. And by the way, everyone, we welcome the super chats. We really appreciate it. It helps us, make better videos, produce better content, get better equipment too also as well. So thank you so much for all the super chats. Really appreciate all your donations. And also, by the way, if you're watching this video on a replay and you cannot send a super chat, you can still donate to this channel using the Cash app and just donate to Lyndon Baptiste. Okay, so that's going to be the my handle on the Cash app for you to donate to. But by the way, I'll just put that inside of the description too also as well. Gary Bluen says, bonus, you're one of the few that pronounces my last name correctly. Ooh, I'm surprised. Normally, I'm terrible with last names, Gary. I just messed up like Chocolatazo's name so many times, but I try. Normally, if I have a problem like pronouncing someone's name out, ask them how to pronounce it, and then they'll just come back and let me know what's the correct way to pronounce it too also. So that helps in a way. Gary says, was curious if you asked him to be on your channel. Yes, I did ask him to be on his channel. I don't remember his name, but he's
What are you looking
He
at
works
there?
for the Equifax or Experian Credit Bureau, and he did a live stream yesterday. Yes, I did ask him if he would like to be a guest on our channel because I wanted to get him here in front of our subscribers. Since we talk about how to build credit and increase your credit score here on this channel, we thought that he's a good person because he works for the credit bureau. He's a good person to get here on this channel, and that way I and a lot of our subscribers and viewers here on this channel could ask him some questions. So yeah, I did ask him. And if you'd go through their PR process to get him on, yeah, he did tell me I have to go through his PR, the experience PR process. So that's something I'm thinking about doing. But right now, I have a whole lot of guests that we need to bring on. And we're also working on a 6-channel live stream collaboration between 6 YouTube channels. Okay, and that's going to be from Dwayne from How to Build Credit TV, Bob from Cakeology, Dwayne from Travel Explore Click, Will Schropp from his channel, Will Schropp, and Jason from Flashpoint Capital, and all of us here on How to Get an 800 Credit Score. It's going to be on our channel too. Also, we're just trying to work out what day is best. We know what days and times everyone is available. We just need to figure out now what day is best for most of us. So that way we can pick a day and just say, okay, everybody is going to be on this day, this time, be there, you know.
You're running behind.
Hopefully everyone will show up too also as well. But thank you for the question, Gary. Dave Sincere says, last year, August, my credit score was 647. I hadn't checked in years. I always figured I had a good credit because I work in the credit field. Man, I had to work on it. Now I'm at 787, 788 FICO. That is awesome, Dave. So everyone, please say congratulations to Dave Sincere. He has a 787 and 788 FICO score. Awesome. Good stuff there, Dave, for sure. Good, great stuff. Okay, so let's see. Okay, Dave says, it's so crazy. Each place we get our scores from are different, which is why credit scores don't matter that much. They look at the credit profile the most, but credit score is what gets us in the door. Yes, I agree with that. Credit scores are good for what interest rate you're going to get on a mortgage, what interest rate you're going to get on a car, what interest rate you're going to get on a credit card. So basically, credit scores are good. It tells you what interest rates you're going to get, or tells the lenders what interest rates they're going to give you, right? And how much your payments are going to be, right? But they mostly look at your credit profile. Like, for example, for a mortgage, they look at things called not only credit scores, but they look at DTI, which is debt to income ratio, right? Which compares how much debt you have compared to how much income you bring in to your household. They look at your job stability, how many years you've been on the same job or on your job, right? Or if you've been on a different job, has it been in the same area, same field, or in a different field, right? They also look at all of those things put together. So it's more than just a credit score. A lot of different things that go into play. Also in credit cards too, look at some of that stuff too. Okay. And also car loans, look at a lot of those things too. So, you know, it's a given, right? Credit scores are important, you know, for interest rates purposes. You want to get the lowest payment, the lowest interest rate. But however, they also go by the other things too on your credit profile. And if you don't have all those things on that checklist on your credit profile, automatically denied. I believe a mortgage, you need to have at least 3 trade lines reporting positive within the past 2 years or 3 years. I don't remember. Okay, but you have to have at least that minimum, right? So it goes, a lot of things go to it besides a credit score. So credit scores are not everything. Even credit cards, some credit cards, right, will not approve your application if you don't have a long enough credit history. Yes, we've seen tons of videos here on YouTube where people say, this is the credit score you need to have for the Chase Sapphire Preferred. This is the credit score you need for the Chase Freedom. This is the credit score you need for the Discover It. This is the credit score you need for this card, that card, that card, and that card, right? But the thing is, even those credit card companies, they go by more criteria besides only a credit score. They look at hard inquiries. They look at how long you've had established positive credit history, okay? And some of them, if you don't have enough history, credit history, but you may have a sky-high credit score, denied. Simple as that. Okay. Jay Knight says Credit Karma uses the Vantage score and Experian uses the FICO score. Yes, that is correct, Jay. Thank you for sharing that. Okay. Ron says, when is this new FICO score? I don't know what you're referring to, the Ultra FICO score, the FICO 9, or are they coming out with another new FICO score that I don't know about? I don't know, but if you're talking about the FICO 9, it's already been out since the beginning of this year. So the FICO 9 is a little different than the FICO 8. It's possible you can get a higher score on the FICO 9 than you have on the FICO 8 because there's a lot of different scoring factors and priorities too. I mean, some of the 5 scoring categories may be a lower priority. Some of them are a higher priority according to the FICO 9 model. So if you're referring to the FICO 9, it's already out. But if there's another FICO model coming out that haven't come out yet, let us know about it here in the chat. So that way we definitely know about it. Ron says, when does the new FICO system roll out? I was told it could hurt a lot of people. Okay, are you talking about the FICO 9, Ron? I think you're talking about the FICO 9, right? The FICO 9, I'm not sure if you're talking about the FICO 9 or you're talking about something else. Or
Well,
Ultra
keep
FICO.
going.
But I'll just keep going. Let us know inside of the comments what FICO model you're talking about. Okay. Roses for Me says, welcome to Luis Sanchez. Welcome. Buenos noches y bienvenidos. Oh, wow. That's awesome. Some great Spanish you got there, Roses. That's awesome. Okay. Ron Pachetti says, hey to Luis. Okay. Awesome. Awesome. Mr. Chocolatazo says, Credit Karma is a fake old score. Excuse me. Credit Karma is good just to check all is reported correctly. Credit issuers use my FICO equals the real FICO score. Credit Karma scores can be up to 100 point different than my FICO. Yeah, Mr. Takataso, Credit Karma uses a Vantage score. Vantage score is not inaccurate. It's not incorrect. No one can say it's incorrect because it's not the same scoring system that FICO uses. It's just a different system. FICO is a company that produces credit scores. Vantage is another company that produces credit scores. The difference between FICO and Vantage is like the difference between Burger King and McDonald's. Okay, Burger King and McDonald's, they both make burgers. The only difference is they make 2 different types of burgers. If you want a Big Mac, you go to McDonald's. You want a Whopper, you go to Burger King. The Whopper has more meat than the Big Mac, or maybe a fatter piece of meat in the middle, but they both give you a burger, right? So it's pretty much the same thing. A lot of people don't understand that concept. And Vantage score gives you your credit scores a little different. Their calculation is different. They have a higher priority as far as in regards to credit card utilization. And they also have 6 categories instead of 5. FICO has 5 categories, right? Payment history, right? Credit utilization, right? Length of credit history, right? Credit mix, right? And all of that, so Vantage Score has all of that, plus they have how much total credit you have. So they have six categories. Actually, I went into full detail about this topic in one of our live streams. Is called The Difference Between Vantage Scoring and FICO Scoring, and why are your Vantage scores different than your FICO credit scores. So
you're running behind.
Janelle's telling me I'm running behind. So thank you for sharing that, Chocolatazo. I really appreciate that. Brian Bauer, welcome back to the chat. Appreciate that. Brian says hello. Pay Capital One, Brian says. Thank you. Mr. Chocolatazo says, if you want to know your real FICO score, my FICO has a tab that will give you a real close number of your FICO score after you answer a few questions. Yes, definitely. Dave Sincere says, 6 inquiries is the limit. Geez, I'm at 1 and worried, LOL. Yeah, I don't blame you for sure. I see why you would be worried. We have a new like from Cliff Peters on Facebook. Thank you for the like, Cliff Peters. Really appreciate you too also as well. Chas Tompkins is another new person here in our live chat. Everyone, please say hello to Chas Tompkins. Chas says, Black people stop asking people. Stop asking. Oh, okay. I see what you're saying. So everyone, please say hello to Chas Tompkins. Thank you for stopping by, Chas. Really appreciate that. You're always welcome here too also as well. CEO Productions is in the house. Everyone, please say hello to CEO Productions. First time on the stream, came over from Dwayne's channel, but I got approved for my Discover card last month with about 12 inquiries. Wow, that's rare. Very, very, very rare. I got denied from Discover. I had a 722 credit score, and they denied me and said I had too many inquiries. How many inquiries did I have? I think I had more than 12, though. So maybe that's why I got denied. But anyways, that's awesome there. Everyone, please say congratulations to CEO Productions for getting approved for a Discover card last month with 12 inquiries. Okay, awesome. And everyone, please say hello to CEO Productions. He's also a new person here in our live chat. Dave Sincere says, in trying to finance a car for him, real low cost, and just pay it down within first 3 months. Okay, awesome. Okay, so let's see. S House says, been a Star Wars fan forever, and this one looks to be a good one. Yes, it definitely looks to be a good one. Janelle and I are talking about going to see that movie too. Also,
nobody want to go D-Light?
Yeah.
I'm sorry.
Dave says, I love Star Wars, but hated the last Star Wars movie, Last Jedi. I thought it was pretty bad. Yeah, I didn't get a chance to see that movie.
I didn't see that one either.
Janelle says she didn't see that one either. Hey, everyone, please smash that thumbs up. Yes, right now we have 21 people here inside of the building, inside of the live chat. Everyone, please hit the thumbs up button. If you're on YouTube, it helps YouTube put this video out in front of more and more people too also as well. And if you're on Facebook, definitely drop a like. Let us know you're inside of the building and drop a comment too also as well. Nate and Jess says, sorry, I'm late. Just smash the like button. Yes, thank you for that like, Nate. Really appreciate you. Everyone, Nate and Jess has their own YouTube channel too also as well. Definitely want to check them out. They just started making videos about credit cards and credit card rewards points. Awesome. They're starting out. Great start. And you definitely want to check out their channel and subscribe. Nate and Jess, Epic Travels and Frugal Living. So you can click on the name here in the chat, click on go to channel. When you get to subscribe, hit the bell notifications. Brian Bauer, thank you so much for the thumbs up. Really appreciate that. Nate and Jess says, how is everyone? Awesome. Everyone, please say hello to Nate and Jess. Epic Travels, Frugal Living. Dave, great job. Send some of that mojo this way. Okay, I can see some great conversations going back and forth. Travelmatic is in the building, everyone. I just finished watching your video earlier. Janelle said hi to you. That was an awesome video that you made about Cuba, and I like that festival that they had going on. I like listening to the band play and the people dancing. It was awesome. Yeah, Janelle said it too. It was awesome. So people, if you definitely interested in learning about great places and countries to travel to, great cities, different cultures, a totally different experience than what you have here in the USA. Definitely go ahead and check out Travelmatic's channel. Click on his name inside of the chat here. The brother needs some more subscribers for sure. Click on his name, click on go to channel. When you get there, click on subscribe and hit the bell notifications too also as well. That way you will never miss a single video whenever Travelmatic makes them there on his channel too also as well. I appreciate you, Travelmatic. Everyone, please say hello to Travelmatic. Okay, awesome. Nate and Jess says, hi, Janelle. Actually, it's snowing this evening. Yeah, we were supposed to get a little snow today. Dave Sincere says, thank you, Janelle. It was tough. I was seeing people get all kinds of rewards and points. I couldn't get any. Sorry to hear that, Dave, but, keep pushing, brother. You're definitely going to get them points and rewards, depending on what cards you have. We're going to go over a few credit cards today, too, also. Brian Bowers says, thumbs up. Okay. Ron says the FICO 9. Yes, the FICO 9's been out for a while now, I believe since the beginning of the year. Some lenders have started already using the FICO 9 credit score. Like Wells Fargo uses the FICO 9 credit score too also. So it's actually a choice. It's not mandatory that lenders use it, but it's more like a choice on whether or not they choose to use the FICO score. Gary Bluen says, actually, FICO 9 is my best score. Yes, it's my best. Well, it's not my best score, but I like FICO 9. I don't have anything against FICO 9 for sure. Dave Sincere says, I checked the price of my FICO. I have 3 tiers of pricing. Yes. You got $19, $29, and $39. Do you feel it's worth the purchase? That depends. If you're going to buy a mortgage, apply for a mortgage, I should say, then you definitely want to contact that lender and find out exactly what credit scoring system they use. Okay, because you may think they're using a certain credit scoring system, and they may be using a totally different system than what you thought. Okay, because there's so many different FICO scores out there right now. So you definitely want to call first and ask. And, if it's a score that you have to pay for, then, I'm sure if it doesn't hurt you to put out, a $20 or $30 on it to find out, then yeah, I would go ahead and do it, But if you just want to look at your score and you don't really have a purpose of it, you're not trying to apply for any major purchase or anything like that, I wouldn't worry about trying to purchase a score or trying to buy a score, because a lot of scores that people buy nowadays, yes, even FICO scores are not the scores that lenders are looking at all. Okay, a lot of them are looking at totally different scores. Gary Bluen says Chevy or Ford, Coke or Pepsi, FICO versus Vantage, but even FICO has a variety of FICO scores, FICO car store, etc. Yeah, I hear you. Yeah, FICO is most widely used by lenders, but there are many lenders that use Vantage scores. Okay. Okay, so let's see. Nate Jess says, congrats. Gary Bluen says another analogy, Star Wars versus Star Trek. Me, Star Trek. I hear you. I like both, but I watched more Star Trek episodes than I've watched Star Wars movies. So I haven't really watched too many Star Wars movies, but I love Star Wars. I just don't know why. I'm just fascinated about it. Dave says, how do you feel about applying for 2 different credit cards at the same time? It can be done. You can get approved for both. For example, if you've been building credit for, say, like 2 years and you have a great credit score, a great credit profile, after 2 years, you can pretty much sit back behind a computer and get approved for like 4 or 5 credit cards all in the same day. So yeah, that can be done for sure. I've seen people do it. For applying for 2 credit cards at the same time, if you're going to do that, then I would recommend just stop applying for credit cards for at least 6 months. If you've gotten 2 credit cards in the same month, then yeah, you want to wait. Give it a while, let your credit marinate a little bit before you go ahead and apply for something else. Okay, every time you apply, you get hard inquiries that dings your credit score, drops your credit score down. So you want to wait a while before you apply for the next one. Janelle says, press 1 if you're a big Star Wars fan. Yes, press the number 1 if you're a big Star Wars fan. That way you let us know, because tonight's topic is going to be about Star Wars, the Rise of The Rise of Skywalker, right? The new movie is coming out December 20th, and we're talking about how you can get the most money and cash back by going to the movie theaters if you're the type of person that likes to go out to the movies and like entertainment and things like that. Nathan Jess says, thanks, Lyndon. You're definitely welcome, Nathan Jess. Dalai Lamas, everyone please say hello to Dalai Lamas T. Dalai Lamas, thank you for stopping by. I really appreciate that. Dolly says, hey, how's it going? Travelmatic says, thanks, man. I have some great videos coming. I just started out, but it's coming for sure. And glad you liked it, Janelle, for sure, for sure. Yeah, that's an awesome video. I like that video you made in Cuba. It's definitely some good stuff. I'm sure you'll be making a lot more great videos like that coming up too. And I have my notifications on. I already subscribed to your channel, so as soon as you drop the next video, I'll be right there, brother, for sure. Harry, live long and prosper. Yes, for sure, for sure. Thank you for sharing that. Travelmatic, thank you for the $10 super chat. Travelmatic says, keep inspiring, bro. Yeah, so again, people, if you haven't already and you're looking, you're interested in learning about different cultures in different countries or cities across the world, this brother right here, he travels all over the world. He travels to different cities, different countries. Today, he just made a great video about his experience in Cuba. They had a great festival there. I felt like I was there with him, just watching the video, honestly. And Janelle was watching it with me. We felt like we were there in Cuba with him, and we were just watching the carnival. You know, the people were dancing, a band was playing, they were singing. He was in a car driving through the town, and we felt like we were right in a car in a passenger seat right next to him just by watching the video. You know what I'm saying? So it was awesome content. I'm not sure what camera you was using, Travelmatic, but that was great. That was great footage for sure. It was a nice clear picture, and the audio was like sweet for sure. So people, you definitely want to click on his name here in the chat, Travelmatic. And then you want to click on go to channel. And then when you get to his channel, click on subscribe and then hit the bell for notification. So that way, every time he makes a video, you won't miss out on the great content that he has to share on his channel for sure. Okay, so let's see. Any other? Brian Bauer says, Harry, the needs of the many outweigh the needs of the few. And Brian says he likes the Wookiees. Yeah, I like the Wookiees too. They're pretty cool. Kevin Jackson is in the building, everyone. Welcome back. Everyone, please say hello to Kevin Jackson. And the Cream Team is in the house. Yes, for sure. Respect and love to the Cream Team. Kevin says, hey, Janelle, Lyndon, my family, Miss Bridget, and Meow. Cream Team is in the house. Thumbs up. Let's get it. Yes, for sure. If you haven't already, definitely hit the thumbs up button. It helps YouTube to put this video in front of more people and get more people here inside of the live chat with us. Let's see. Gary Bluen says, LOL, Harry or Gary.
Keep going.
Thank you, Brian. Ron Pachetti says, I just got 2 cards from Community Bank. No hard pull. Shopping cart trick. It helped a lot with my DTI. Yeah, that DTI is important. You know what I mean? It's called debt to income ratio, people, in case you haven't heard of it. It's what banks use when they're trying to review your mortgage application. They use a thing called debt to income ratio. What it is, it measures how much debt you have, and it compares it to how much money you make. So if you make if you have too many debts compared to the money that you bring in income, they will automatically deny your mortgage application too as well. And some companies have different percentages of what they will accept, what is too high for them, or what's the limit. Like some will not approve you if you have more than 42% debt to income ratio. Some takes less than that, maybe 38%. So it all varies. It depends on that lender, okay, and what their requirements or criteria are. Ron Pachetti says, 1 card I can use in 5 stores. That's awesome, Ron, that you have a card that you could use around like that. Because, you know, a lot of cards you'll find, like maybe some Discover cards, that they don't get accepted everywhere, okay? Some places where you could use your Visa, your MasterCard, you know, a lot of places won't take Discover.
Go.
Brian Bauer says, I wish I could use the Force to my advantage on my score. Yeah, Brian, definitely. May the Force be with you, right? I hear you. But just stick in there, Brian. You know, just keep on making good credit practices, and you'll get there. Your credit score will keep going up. You know, just remember, keep your credit utilization in check. I recommend less than 7% credit usage. So basically, you want to, if you're like, for example, if your credit card limit is $100, you know, you want to pay it down to below $7 before they report to the credit bureau and before your statement closing date on your credit card account. So that helps your credit score, because the lower your credit usage that they report to the credit bureau, the better it is for your score, and the higher your credit score will be. Okay, so that's just one point. And try not to make too many credit card applications if you don't have to. Try not to open up any new accounts unless it's definitely necessary. I mean, if you have enough credit accounts on your credit profile right now, no need to get any more unless it's necessary for your type of lifestyle or for your goals. Okay. S House says, I was wondering, do you think Skywalker would get an Amex or Chase credit card? LOL. Joe. Yeah, a lot of people, that's a big thing, big topic here. Chase or Amex. And I don't know. I would say Chase is great, but Amex has some killer cashback. For example, that American Express Blue Cash Preferred card, that one, you get 6% cash back on groceries and 6% cash back on streaming services like Netflix, Hulu, YouTube, YouTube TV, all those streaming services. It's just awesome. I mean, up to $6,000 per year. So, I mean, you really can't beat that. I mean, the value you get out of that. Okay, let me see if I can get to the bottom of these comments so we can get into the topic. Kevin Jackson says, "Hey, the roses for me." Okay, people. So today's topic is, Star Wars: The Rise of Skywalker. Okay, so we're gonna get ready to get into it. So I'm gonna share my screen with you guys, so that way you can know a brief, understanding of what we're talking about here. For those of you, maybe you have not seen, the trailer yet. I'm going to share that with you guys right now. So hopefully, okay, I'm playing that right now for you guys. And if you can see the audio clearly, you could hear. If you can see the video clearly, you can hear the audio clearly, just go ahead and type the number 1 inside of the comments.
It's an instinct. A feeling. The Force brought us together. We're not alone. Good people will fight if we lead them.
People keep telling me they know me. No one does.
But I do.
Long have I waited. And now you're coming together. Is your undoing.
What are you doing there, 3PO?
Taking one last look, sir. At my friends.
Confronting fear is the destiny of a Jedi. Your destiny. The Force will be with you.
Always.
Okay, people, I hope you enjoyed that. That was the trailer for the Star Wars, the new movie. The Rise of Skywalker is coming out December 20th. So, you guys, if you're a Star Wars fan, it may be a movie you definitely want to check out for sure. And let's see, Brian Bauer says, "Thank you for the advice. Yes, I've got my limit for the 2 years." Okay, awesome, awesome. So, people, let's see what we got here. Ron Pachetti, type number one. Janelle, type number one. Kevin Jackson, type number one. And Brian Bauer, type number one. Good. So I'm glad that you guys were able to see that trailer clearly, and you guys could hear the audio clearly too, also as well. So what we're going to do now is we're going to get further into our topic today. And first thing we're going to talking about is how to get the best cash back, or different ways to get cash back on your movie theater ticket purchases there too also as well. So what I'm going to do here is first I'm going to talk about some different brands of credit cards that offer you cash back points and rewards too also as well. So you definitely want to, if you already have these credit cards, then I just wanted you to know how you can use them at the movie theaters too also as well. So basically, the first card that we're going to talk about here, I hope you guys can see this on the screen. If you can see it clearly on the screen, just type the number one inside of the comments too also as well. We're talking about the Citi Premier credit card. Okay, the Citi Premier card. And the Citi Premier card, basically, what it does is it gives a category bonus of 2 times or 2x. The value of the rewards is 1.7 cents, and the total earned per dollar is 3.4 cents, and it has a $95 annual fee. Okay, and the Citi Premier card gives you a bonus of 60,000 points after you spend the first $4,000 in purchases in the first 3 months. Okay, and it gives you 2 times points on entertainment like movie theaters. So all these credit cards I'm going to go over, you can use them at the movie theaters to get this cash back. Okay, because they have these categories called entertainment, and the entertainment categories, part of the entertainment categories, you can use it for movie theaters. Okay, so according to the points guy on his website, thepointsguy.com, the bonus here on this Citi Premier card is worth $1,020. Okay, so moving right along here to the next card on our list is the U.S. Bank. We're talking about the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. Okay, and the category bonus here is 5% cash back. The value of the rewards is 1 cent. Okay, and the total earned is going to be the total earned per dollar spent. That is 5 cents, and there's no annual fee, guys. So this is a killer card right here. No annual fee, and you're earning all this free money right here from just buying stuff that you always been buying every day anyway for the past month or the past year, past 2 years or whatever. So this is not no extra spending that you want to be doing here, guys. You want to be just using it for your lifestyle that you've been living. Okay, you don't want to go out and do any extra spending just to get cash back. It just defeats the purpose here. The purpose of this is to make money using credit cards. Okay, Mr. Chocolatazo just gave a comment here. He says, I just got the email from Navy Federal Credit Union. I opened a business checking and savings account on Monday, applied for the business rewards visa, got approved. My highest limit ever, $50,000. Awesome. Congratulations there, Mr. Chocolatazo. Everyone, please say congratulations to Mr. Chocolatazo. He got a $50,000 credit limit. This is awesome. See, this is what happens, people, when you build credit, right? When you build credit and you practice good credit practices. Okay. Let's see any other comments. Gary Bluen says, so thanks for the opportunity to participate. Not sure why my question was skipped 3 times. Was curious. Good night, everything. Great content. Feedback. Okay, what question did I skip from you,
I don't know.
Gary Bluen? Okay, if you're referring to the question about the live stream that I was in yesterday, yes, I was there in the live stream. Yes, we want to have him on this channel. We're thinking about it. If there's another question that I skip, I do apologize, Gary. Sorry about
Try
that,
to
buddy.
keep you on track.
Which Janelle tried to keep me on track, but I don't know. Somehow I must have missed your question a few times there. Okay, so let's see where we're at here. We're talking about movie theater ticket purchases. So yeah, we were talking about the U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. Okay, so let's see. That one, it gives you a $150 bonus after you spend the first $500 in 90 days. And oh no, on the first, yeah, that's right. And 5% cash back on your first $2,000 in purchases each quarter that you use the card. So every 3 months, basically, you're getting the 5% cash back on your first $2,000 that you spend. Every 3 months, they're doing that. So that's killer rewards right there. This card is a monster. It's definitely something you want to have in your wallet for sure. It says, but you have to enroll each quarter. Every 3 months, you have to enroll into those categories. You have to sign up for those categories to earn the 5% maximum earnings. The maximum amount of money that you can earn with that, with the 5% bonus, is $100 every quarter. So every 3 months, you can make $100. So basically, this is worth at least the 5% bonus is worth at least $400 a year. So you take the $400 plus the $150, you can add that together, and that comes out to $550 at least you're going to make on this card just for using this card. Okay, so I mean, that's a total awesome card that you can use. So next up here on the list that we're going to talk about here, oh, and there's no annual fee at all from that U.S. Bank Cash Plus Visa Signature Card. So the next card up on our list here we're talking about here is a Capital One Savor Cash Rewards credit card, which offers you 4% cash back. That's a category bonus, and the value of the rewards is 1 cent. A total earned per dollar spent is 4 cents, and you do have an annual fee with the Capital One Savor card, but it is waived on the first year. Okay, so they waived that for the first year. I don't know about the second year, but it's waived for sure on the first year, the annual fee. So no annual fee for the first year. You get a $300 cash bonus after you spend $3,000 in the first 3 months of having a card, and then you earn an additional 4% cash back, right? But Capital One, the thing about Capital One, they only allow you to have 2 personal Capital One cards at one time that has the Capital One brand, right? And every new card, you get 1 new card every 6 months, including both personal and business cards. So people, if you can see these cards here, this card here up on the screen, and you can see the words clearly also as well, just type the number 1 for me inside of the comments. So that's way I know for sure that you can see it. Okay, Gary Bluen has a comment. He says, thanks for the opportunity to participate. Okay, I already got that. I thought that was a new comment. Okay, Mr. Chocolatazo says, I have checking and savings, 2 personal credit cards, and a car loan with them never late. That's awesome. Great credit limit too, by the way. Mr. Chocolatazo says, thank you for the congratulations. Also, it do not report on your personal credit. Yes. And that's maybe a good thing too if it doesn't report on your credit, because it could save you some headaches with credit utilization. You don't have to worry about that stuff. Okay, and Ron Fischetti from Facebook on Facebook says, Janelle, are you handling Facebook right now? Okay, awesome. Thank you for stopping by, Ron. I really appreciate that. Janelle says, I'm going back and forth on Facebook and YouTube. Okay, well, thank you for that Janelle, really appreciate you there. So let's see what we have here. Okay, we just finished the Capital One Savor card. So the next card on our list is the Freedom card. Let me get this out of the way. We're still talking about movie theater ticket purchases, by the way. Okay, so the Chase Freedom Unlimited is the next card here, up on a list that we're talking about here. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card is going to give you a $150 bonus after you spend $500 in the first 3 months of having a card. You get an unlimited 1.5% cash back on everything that you buy, or you can get 1.5 ultimate reward points for every dollar if you have the Chase Sapphire Reserve, or if you have the Chase Sapphire Preferred and the Chase Ink Business Preferred. So you can use those cards together. That's why they call it a trifecta, because you can use this card along with other Chase cards and get even more cash back and rewards points also as well. Sorry about that. Janelle was telling me something there real quick. So yeah, this is also a great card that you can use for the movie theaters too, also as well, because this, is going to help you on entertainment. All of these cards that I'm showing you here on the screen, you can get rewards on entertainment. Okay. Now the category bonus is 1.5% or 1.5x. The value of the rewards is 2 cents when you pair it up together with an ultimate rewards earning card, like maybe any one of the Chase cards from the Chase trifecta would be fine. The total earned per dollar spent is going to be 3 cents. And get this, guys, there's no annual fee with this card at all. So you don't have to worry about an annual fee with this card. So, I mean, that's just totally awesome to think about it too. So you can use that for your movie theater ticket purchases. So that's what we're talking about, guys. If you're late coming into the chat here, we're talking about movie theater purchases and how you can make the most cash back from the credit cards. What credit cards will give you the most cash back at the movie theaters? And in case you missed the beginning of the live chat, we show you guys a trailer, the new trailer of the Star Wars movie coming out on December 20th, The Rise of Skywalker. Okay. So yeah, we're still talking about movie theater purchases and how you can get the most cash back. So these are some of the credit cards that I'm going over here that will give you the most cash back at the movie theater, buying your movie tickets too also as well. So, okay, Janelle pointing it to the comments. So I'm going to go back in the comments real quick. And Dave Sincere says, that's phenomenal at Mr. Chocolatazo. I'm trying to get into the business card game. I only have one from Amex, a Marriott Bonvoy business card, $18.9 thousand limit. That's awesome, dear Dave. So you're already in the game for sure, for sure. And Dave says, I need a business card with 0% balance transfer. That is why I'm going to go for US Bank next month. Okay, awesome, awesome. That's a good idea. That's definitely a good look, Dave, for sure. Those cards that give you 0% balance transfer, they definitely help you out, especially if you have like some high utilization or credit usage on some of your credit cards, or you may have a credit card out there that maybe have a high utilization on it or a high balance. You might want to transfer that balance over to another card, right? That might help out your credit score. Okay, for sure, for sure. But it is definitely a good strategy for sure. Okay, so I guess moving right along, we're talking about movie theater ticket purchases. The next credit card we're going to talk about here tonight is called the Marvel MasterCard, the Marvel MasterCard. Okay, this Marvel MasterCard, the category bonus, you get 3% cash back. Okay, in the entertainment category, and the value of the rewards is 1 cent. and the total earned per dollar is 3 cents. And this card is another money saver right here. It has no annual fee at all. No annual fee to pay with this, and you get a $25 statement credit after your first purchase, and you earn 3% cash back. But the cash back is paid as a statement credit only. So this card right here does not give you the most cash back at the movie theater. But it is something. You get 3% cash back, but it's paid as a statement credit only. Okay, they won't give that, as a check. They won't cut a check. They won't do a transfer to your bank or anything. It's a statement credit. So those statement credits, they do help out though, however, because let's just say, right? If you for some reason, if you happen to have a balance on your account, and that statement credit, it definitely helps you out. Okay, for sure. Okay, so statement credits, they definitely help out. Okay, so now what we're talking about here, we're moving on to the next set of cards. I got 3 more cards that I want to go over with you guys here real quick. So the next thing that we're talking about, how to save the most money when you're going to the movie theater to buy these movie theater tickets, is you buy movie theater gift cards. And you can get movie theater gift cards at office supply stores, especially if you have like business cards, some of the Chase Ink business cards. You can get these movie theater gift cards maybe at grocery stores or supermarkets too, also as well. So this is the next group of credit cards that we're going to talk about here in this topic. So the next card we're talking about here is a Chase Ink Business Cash Visa card. So the Chase Ink Business Cash Visa card is going to give you 5% cash back on the first $25,000 that you spent. Each account anniversary or 5x points when you use the Chase Ink Business Cash Visa together with the Ultimate Rewards card. Okay, in office supply stores, on the bonus category on the Chase Ink Cash Visa, you can use it to buy movie currency at Staples or Office Depot. Okay, so that's one way to save money and get the most cash back when you go into the movie theater. Okay, is gift cards. Okay, so that's what we're talking about here. Is movie theater gift cards at office supply stores, grocery stores, and supermarkets too, also as well. Okay, so the next card we're going to talk about here is the American Express Gold Card. Okay, now the American Express Gold Card, you can shop movie gift cards at the grocery store with this card, and you get 4x points at U.S. supermarkets up to $25,000 per year. And then after that, you only get 1x after that. Okay, but this card is great at supermarkets, getting the 4 times points for sure. And let's see. So again, in case you just came back on, yeah, that's what we're talking about. Movie theater gift cards at office supply stores, grocery stores, and supermarkets. You can use those too also as well. Okay, so the next card and the last card that we're going to discuss here is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred Card. Okay, now this card, what I like about this card is it gives you 6% cash back on the first $6,000 that you spent at U.S. supermarkets each year. Okay, or grocery stores, and then you get 1% cash back after that. The maximum you can earn in cash back in a year is $360 with this card too, also as well. But you got to count the streaming services. But we didn't really talk about the streaming services here, which is really great too, because with streaming services, you also get 6% cash back on the streaming services. But we're talking about the The supermarkets, $6% cash back on your first $6,000 spent in every year, because you can use this card to buy some movie gift cards. Right, you can buy some movie gift cards, movie theater gift cards, and with those gift cards, they can definitely help you out. You can use them for personal use too, also as well, and those will help you to save money, on movie tickets, or get cash back, more cash back on those movie tickets too, also as well. So that's definitely. Janelle said I missed some comments here, so I'm gonna
Just S House and Mr. Trucker.
go back into the comments here. So
Well, I
S
see.
House has a comment.
S House.
S House says, "Can you get a business credit card without having a business?" S House, yes, you can get a business card, because a lot of those business credit cards, like the Chase Inc. I know people who do not have brick and mortar businesses, like a grocery store or laundromat, anything tangible with that's inside of a building or part of a building structure. But they do things like, maybe some of them have a YouTube channel. Some of them do business on Amazon. They buy and sell stuff on Amazon. Some people have side hustles, and they still able to qualify for the Chase Inc. Cash business card. So you can still get a business card, and you don't have to have a real business like a corporation or S corporation, LLC, or anything like that. Because if you're doing side hustles, and if you're like buying, selling stuff on Amazon, you just have a side hustle, or you have a YouTube channel, or anything that you do on the side for money, you're not considered, and it's not considered being a W-2 or W-4 employee of another company, but you're still earning an income from it, then you're considered a sole proprietor. Okay, you're considered a sole proprietor. The sole proprietor is a form of business structure. So it's like you hear people saying DBA, they might say DBA Lyndon Baptiste, or DBA, S House, or DBA Mr. Chocolatazo. So DBA basically stands for doing business as. Okay. So you're functioning and working as a sole proprietor. Like, for example, if you're driving for Uber, or you're driving for Lyft, or you're driving for Yellow Cab, okay, and they don't have you on the books as an employee, and they don't give you like a W-4 form or W-2, whatever that is, they give you to fill out to write down how much you're claiming on your taxes and all that stuff. Then if you're not an employee, then you're considered a 1099 contractor, independent, which is an independent contractor, which is basically, in the eyes of the law, is a sole proprietor. Okay, so under sole proprietorship, yes, you can get a business card, because technically you are a business. Okay, if you're driving Yellow Cab, you're driving for Uber, you're driving for Lyft, you're selling stuff, buying and selling stuff on Amazon, buying and selling stuff on eBay, all of these things. You have a YouTube channel as monetized, you're making money on YouTube, you're a business, you're a sole proprietor. No, you don't have a business name, right? You don't have a business name like AT&T or Wells Fargo, whatever, but your business name is your name, your first and last name. Okay, and by you doing business makes you a business. You're a sole proprietor. So yeah, you can get approved for a business card. You just have to keep in mind, if you're trying to apply for a business card, then you want to include those things that you do for a side hustle, and include all that income that you make on your side hustle too, also as well, on your side job, I should say, as long as it's not an employee type job. Okay, like a W-2 or W-4 job. If it's a 1099 job, then that's a business. Okay, you can put that down on your business credit card application. Okay, so I hope that helped you out there, S House. But My answer in short, yes, you can. Mr. Chocolatazo says, I have the Ink Cash, the best earning chase card, in my opinion, then transfer the points to CSR. Yes, that's an awesome way to go about it there, Mr. Chocolatazo, too, also as well. Okay, so let's see if there's anything else I could talk about. Well, yes, I can talk about saving money at the movie theaters. Now, what you could also do here at the movie theaters is, look for the best deals at the movie theaters also as well. Okay, and you can get discounted movie tickets, right? At Costco, Sam's Club, similar offers, specialized gift cards, right? Cards that optimize Costco purchases, movie theater chain websites too, also as well. Another way you can do it is you can utilize shopping portals. Okay, there are a number of portals that include. I'm gonna put the name of one portal that you can use. Two also as well. I'll put the name of that one up here on the screen. It's called Fandango. All right, that's one portal that you can use, and these, help you to find deals on movie tickets too, also as well. Okay, so on Fandango, you can find some, unique offers there. You definitely want to check it out. Just look on the portal and see what you can find out there. There's another portal, a shopping portal that's pretty good that you guys can check out too. Also as well, this one, I'll put the name of this one. It's called EV. All right, EV Rewards. EVRewards.com, actually. Okay, I'll put that one up there on the screen here for you guys. It's called EVRewards.com. So that's another one that you guys can check out there. Actually, there's another one too. This is the Cashback monitor. I'll put this one here on the screen for you guys also. Okay, and this one you can find deals from just about anything, right? You can look it up. It could be anything. It could be Walmart stuff. But since we're talking about movie theater tickets here, you can definitely want to look on there and see which companies give the best cash back, on movie theater tickets. You can look up anything. What I even looked up? I looked up Lyft rides. Lyft, Lyft. I'm sorry, because I like to take Lyft a lot back and forth to work. My fiance, she takes the Lyft rides a lot, going shopping, going to Walmart, going out, grocery shopping, going to the mall, and all the other errands that she needs to do too also as well. So this is a good site right here. It's called cashbackmonitor.com. But if you look that up on Google, you want to leave out the space between the cashback and monitor. It's all one big word, cashbackmonitor.com too also as well. Right. And also another way you can save money on your movie theater tickets too is you can go into monthly movie subscription programs, right? And these programs, they compete against each other, right? Movie Pass is one, but Movie Pass is not active right now. But there's one that I can put up here on the screen that you guys may want to check out. All right, let me see, make sure I'm typing this right. Okay, it's TU. Okay, so this one right here, you definitely want to check this one out. It's called AMC Stubs A-List. Right, they started this in June 2018. right? And it's a monthly movie subscription program, and they offer members 3 tickets per week for a monthly fee of $23.95 plus tax. All right. So basically, you're getting a pretty much good deal because the average movie ticket, let me take this off the screen so I can make some more room here. The average movie ticket is $9 here in the US. That's the average. I mean, some of them may be higher, some of them may be lower, but that's just the average, right? So $23.95 a month, and they give you 3 tickets per week. I mean, that's really not bad. Yes.
Yeah, Mr. Cakeology in the house.
Oh, look who we have, people in the house, in the building. The one and only original Cakeology. Bob here. Everyone, please say hello to Cakeology. This is Bob, people. By the way, in case you don't know about him, he has his own YouTube channel. It's called Cakeology, where he talks about business credit and ways you can build business credit so that you can get the funding that you need for your business to get your business started. Maybe you want to expand your business. Maybe you want your business to grow a little more. And Bob also provides business coaching too also as well. And he gives tons and tons of great information about that on his YouTube channel. It's called Cakeology. So if you didn't know about it already, then you definitely want to click on his name, Cakeology, here in this chat. And when you click on his name, make sure that you go to his channel, click on subscribe, click on the bell notification too also as well. That way you will never miss a single video as he makes them there on his channel too also as well. So welcome back, Bob. We really appreciate you also as well. And thank you so much for joining us in another live stream. I know we didn't hear from you in a while. So we were wondering, when we're going to hear from you again. So, but we're glad to see you here in another live stream here too also as well. So let's see where we were at here. Yeah, we're talking about the AMC Stubs A-List, which is a monthly movie subscription program, right? And for $23.95 a month, they're going to give you 3 tickets per week. All right. And the week resets every Friday too also as well. Right. So you can see movies in any format, including IMAX movies, 3D or Dolby Digital. You can make reservations in advance online here and through the AMC app for free. And you get a complimentary upgrade to Stubs Premier benefits. And you get 10% back on all food and beverage purchases too, also as well. And free size upgrades on popcorn and fountain drinks too also as well. So this is awesome. There are people, 10% back on all food and beverages. And you also get free size upgrades on popcorn and fountain drinks. So, for example, like if you just have like a small Pepsi and you're in the middle of a movie, the movie's on, but you're going to run out. You need more soda, and you realize this small size soda is not enough. I'm thirsty. Go back. You can get you a large or extra large drink, right? For free. For free. Yeah. So you don't have to pay. You know how expensive these sodas are, at the movie theater to buy. You know how expensive the popcorn is and all of this stuff here. So that's a way you can definitely save you some money. We're getting the 10% back on all your food and beverage purchases too also as well. So you definitely want to look this up. It's called AMC Stubs A-List. They offer a ton of benefits and cashback and all the discounts and all this stuff just for being a monthly movie subscription member with them. And this is good for a lot of you who like to go to the movies a lot. A lot of you, like in the WhatsApp group and David's WhatsApp group, you guys talked about this movie and that movie. So that's a great thing, to check out too also as well. Another thing you want to check out is movie rewards loyalty programs. too also as well. So they offer, some of them offer free movies, food, events, and special screenings with the program too also as well. And one loyalty program, I'll put that one up here on the screen for you guys so that way you can check it out too also as well. This one, it is called Alamo Victory. Alamo Victory. Basically, one good thing about them is they give you rewards, which they call victory rewards, too also as well. And you can use these victory rewards for free movies, food, events, and special screenings within the program too also as well. Okay. So they have a AMC stubs program too. I know I talked to you guys about the A-Lifts program, but they also have another program called the AMC stubs. I'll put that one here up on the screen too also as well. Now the AMC stubs program is a nationwide movie theater chain, and this is the largest one in the world, they say. It offers 2 tiers with its rewards programs, and it's called AMC Stubs. You can register online as well as at the box office. The free version is called AMC Stubs Insider. Okay. And it offers you 1 complimentary popcorn refill per visit. So if you already ate up all your popcorn, maybe you and your girlfriend, or you and your fiance, or you and your wife, you ate up all the popcorn and now you guys need more popcorn, you get 1 refill. Okay, so there you go. You got a free popcorn right there. Okay, so you could definitely fill back up again. Now you're going to earn 20 points for every dollar spent at the box office and concession stand, and you get $5 off 5,000 accumulated points. So this program, the AMC Stubs, they also give you points too also as well. And you get a free large popcorn on your birthday. So if it's your birthday, I mean, I don't recommend people going in the movie theater and lying and say, oh yeah, it's my birthday, when it's not your birthday, right? Just to go ahead and get you a free popcorn. But if it's your birthday, they will give you some free popcorn. I don't know if they check ID or what the case is there. But they do give you 1 large free popcorn free of charge. Okay, and then also you have an option to refill a large popcorn free of charge every time that you visit the theater. Okay, so this is something else here. It's going to save you a lot of money. But the membership, they have the AMC Stubs Premier membership too also, and that one costs $15 a year, but it comes with additional perks. The Premier members, you receive a complimentary popcorn refill for each and every visit, and savings on Tuesday movie tickets too also. But being a Premier member through the AMC Stubs program, you earn 100 points for every $1 spent at the box office. So if you spend $9 on a movie ticket, then that's 900 points that you got right there. Okay. So paid members, you only need to spend $50 to get $5 off 5,000 accumulated points. All right. So if you're celebrating your birthday, you get a free large popcorn and a large soft drink too. Okay. And they will waive the online ticket fee and other exclusive offers. So, I mean, that's just, awesome benefits that you get there from, signing up with these loyalty programs. Also, they have Cinemark, which is the 3rd largest movie chain in the United States, and they offer a different rewards program. The free one is called the Cinemark Connections. You earn points on tickets and concession purchases. Each transaction is worth 10 points, no matter how much or how little it's for. 25 point daily cap on total points. And you can redeem these points for a movie swag, digital downloads, and sweepstakes too also as well. The Cinemax paid loyalty program is called a Cinemark Movie Club. It costs $8.99 a month, and you get one free ticket to any 2D movie every month, and unused tickets will roll over to the following months too also as well. So I guess I'll put that one here on the screen too also. Let me check this out. Okay, ARK. Okay, it's called Cinemark. Okay, so you pay $8.99 a month, but you also get 20% off concessions. They waive your online fees, and you have the ability to buy a second ticket for a companion. You know, it could be your girlfriend, your wife, your spouse. For ladies, that could be your husband, your boyfriend, your fiance, etc. So they, you can get the second ticket for the same $8.99 cost. So you kind of like a 2-for-1 deal, and you're getting your own free movie ticket too also as well. So there's another loyalty program too that's pretty awesome as well, and I'll put that right here up on the screen. Okay, you might want to look this one up online too also as well if you are a person who likes to go to the movie theater a lot. Okay, since that's the topic of our live stream tonight, how to save the most money and get the most cash back at the movie theater. We already went through all the credit cards that we was going to talk about tonight that give you cash back and points rewards on movie theater tickets. So now we're talking about loyalty programs from movie theater chains that you can get involved in and save even more money on top of the money that you're already getting in cash back. Now you can get more money back now. Okay. So the way you want to go about this is you want to use those credit cards. If you have one of the credit cards that I mentioned here in the beginning of this topic, then you can use those credit cards to pay for your tickets too also as well. If you're going to sign up with a loyalty program, then you're going to use that credit card to sign up with the loyalty program. You're going to get the cash back that credit card offers too also as well. You'll also will get the points and the rewards, the cash back or whatever they have to offer from these loyalty programs, like the free movie tickets, the free popcorn, the free food, the free sodas, all of those benefits that you get from signing up with these programs. So Regal Cinemas is the next one we're talking about here. They have a program called the Regal Crown Club, and the Regal Crown Club is good for, people who like to go to the movies, where your choice of cinema is the Regal Theater. Okay. And I guess they're saying that Regal is the second largest movie theater chain in the United States. It has the free program that they have allows you to earn 100 points per dollar that you spend at the box office, and there's no limit on your earning potential there too also as well. The Crown Jewel bonus program, it offers accelerated points earning potential for people who go to the movies a lot, right, and very often. And they have a tier called Emerald, which is someone who goes to the movies like 6 times or more per year. And then they have the Ruby tier. The Ruby tier is for people who go to the movies 10 or more times per year. They also have the Diamond tier. Now, the Diamond tier is for people who go to the movies 20 or more times per year. And these credits that you get from these loyalty programs, like the Regal Cinemas, they can be redeemed for free popcorn, drinks, or free movie tickets too also as well. Okay, so the last one on our list here that we're going to talk about here tonight, which is also a loyalty program I believe we talked about somewhat briefly before, is called Fandango. Fandango can be a choice for movie tickets when you're buying them too also as well. But you want to make sure that you sign up for Fandango VIP, right? Which is the free rewards program where you're going to earn 125 VIP points for every ticket that you buy. Okay. And every time you earn 500 points, you'll get a $5 reward to use for discounts on Fandango tickets, fan shop movie gear, or streaming movies on Fandango now. So the one downside or bad thing about it is that you only have 21 days. They're only going to give you 21 days to use your $5 reward, okay, that you can use for discounts on Fandango tickets once you have earned it, right? But Fandango also has a partnership with MasterCard. Now, World Elite card holders will be able to earn double Fandango VIP plus points for movie tickets that they buy. Okay. And this means that card holders, they're going to get 500 Fandango VIP plus points that are worth $5 for every movie ticket. Okay. So basically, every movie ticket, you can get a certain amount that you buy. You're going to get double. You can get double VIP points for these movie tickets that you buy. So this means that, you know, card holders, they're going to get 500 Fandango VIP points. That's worth $5 for every 2 movie tickets that they purchase. You know, if you use the Fandango app or Fandango.com. Okay. So that's not too bad. You know, $5 reward, 125 VIP points for every ticket that you buy. And, you know, every time you earn 500 points, you get a $5 reward. So, I mean, that's not too bad. So that's, you know, that's how you can basically, in a nutshell, to wrap this up, that's how you can basically save money, you know, get the most cash back at the movie theaters. By using the loyalty programs, you know, the gift cards, movie theater gift cards, and also using the cashback credit cards that have entertainment categories, which have movie theaters as part of that category. So again, you know, you're going to get cash back on movie theater tickets by doing that, by buying these. And also you're going to get cash back rewards, free tickets, free popcorn, free food, soda, movie tickets, all this stuff, you know, and plus you're going to get cash back by using your credit cards too also. And we went over a lot of the different credit cards, you know, that offer those cash backs. And one of my favorites that I mentioned here tonight is the one that I, you know, talked about earlier, which is, let's see if I still have it up here. It is the American Express Blue Cash Preferred. Yeah, that's the one. That's like one of my favorites right there, guys. So, I mean, if you have the Blue Cash Preferred credit card from American Express, just go ahead and, you know, type in number 1 inside of the comments. Let me know that you have it. If you like it, if you think it's awesome, you're getting great cash back from it, definitely let me know that too. But, you know, basically the gist of it here, we also talked about, not only by talking about all these credit cards and all these loyalty programs from the movie theaters and the shopping portals that you could go on, like cashbackmonitor.com. You can find the best cashback offers on movie theaters and the best points and rewards on movie theaters. You know, this is a good thing, you know, to check out here. You know, and also using your business cards too on the flip side of it to get the most cash back and points. And also, I mean, it doesn't stop there. You can also use your credit cards for travel miles. You can get, you know, travel miles and rewards points if you're into like traveling. You like to travel a lot, go see different countries and all these, you know, all of that stuff. Then, you know, there's credit cards for that too, where you can accumulate miles of travel points, you know, and things like that, and transfer those points out to, other travel partners and get even more benefits through doing so. So basically, I hope you guys enjoyed the topic for tonight. I really appreciate, all of you who have joined with us and, seen the topic here that we talked about here tonight. And really appreciate all of you joining too. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to go ahead and jump right back in the comments right here and see if, in case I missed anyone's comments here. Yeah, Janelle's telling me I could take that credit card off the screen now, so that way it doesn't block me from seeing the comments. Okay, yes. Okay, Bob from Cakeology says he's doing free consulting calls. Just email him at youtube@cakeology.com. So there you have it, guys. I mean, it doesn't hurt if you own a business or you think, or you're a new startup business or you're an established business, doesn't matter. Go ahead and email Bob at Cakeology at youtube@cakeology.com. He'll give you a free consulting session there where you guys can discuss, your situation with your business, and, maybe you guys can set up some goals on how you're going to reach those goals and come up with a game plan and a strategy to get you guys there. So definitely email Bob, youtube@cakeology.com. So that way you guys can set that up for all you business owners out there. Okay, so let's see. Any other? Janelle left a thumbs up. Thank you for the thumbs up, Janelle. So in case I missed your comment or your question, do let me know inside of the comments. I'm just looking through the comments here to see if I missed anyone while I was into the topic. Okay, so it looks like I'm all caught up and top on comments here. So thank you so much, guys, for joining. And if you're interested in ways on how to build credit, increase your credit score, or maybe you want to looking for the lowest payments on mortgages, lines of credit on the business and the personal side, or if you're looking for the lowest payments on a mortgage or a car loan, or maybe you just want to travel the world for free, go ahead and hit the like button, hit the subscribe button too also as well. Hit the bell notification so that way you won't miss a single video as we make them here on this channel too also as well. All the links to follow me on social media can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel too. And to email me, you could definitely email me. The link is at the bottom of the About section of this channel too also as well. And what I can do here is I can put my email here in the chat here, so that way I'll put it up on the screen so that way you guys can see it. It's lyndonbaptiste@gmail.com. So if you need to talk to me about your credit report or increasing your credit score, anything, maybe you're trying to get approved for a mortgage, you need somebody to talk to about your credit, there's my email address too also there. So usually when you send me an email, you get an email back like right away with like an automated response, and it has a contact phone number to contact me on there too also as well. So, and also you can sign up for our Patreon. We do have a Patreon since we hit our 1,000 subscriber. So subscriber milestone, that is. And I'm going to put our Patreon link there up here on the screen, so that way you guys can have it too also as well. What I plan on doing with the Patreon membership is I'm going to make it another platform for you guys to see like exclusive videos and material there too also as well on the Patreon site that we have. And this is our link to our Patreon right there on the screen, patreon.com/how to get an 800 credit score. You can, if you have any suggestions to also as well, maybe you want to see us make videos on certain other topics, then you can definitely leave that there inside of the comments there on the Patreon too, also as well. What I'm going to do is I do have 2 tiers there, 2-tier memberships on our Patreon there. But what I'm going to do is create like maybe 2 more membership. I'm going to throw in like a $3 membership for those who don't, can't afford the $30 a month membership or the $60 a month membership. I'm going to create a $3 a month membership, and I'm also going to create something like a $5 or a $10 a month membership. So it'll have like different tier memberships, so where you could sign up and donate to support the channel on a monthly basis, which is basically it only helps us here produce better content for you guys, buy better equipment, make better videos for you guys, and more quality videos here on the channel too also as well. So also the link to join our Facebook group is called How to Get Excellent Credit, right? How to Get Excellent Credit. It's on Facebook, right? And you can definitely search for it on Facebook, but if you need a direct link, then we have a link there at the bottom of the About section of this channel, where you can follow the link to join the Facebook group too also as well. We do have a Facebook page too also as well. Name of our Facebook page is called How to Get an 800 Credit Score. So we do have it's the same name as our YouTube channel, but if you want the actual link, then the link can be found at the bottom of the About section of this channel. So that's it on the screen there. I'll put it up on the screen for you guys on Facebook. We do put our videos in there too also as well. And now when we're doing live streams, we're going live now on YouTube and Facebook at the same time. Okay. So that's always a good thing. Okay. So that's pretty much it in a nutshell. All those links to follow me on social media, that's at the bottom of the About section of the channel. And don't forget, give the video a thumbs up and share this video everywhere, all of your social media, on your Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Pinterest, wherever you can share it, share it. Share this video everywhere if you can too also as well. So again, I want to thank everyone who joined with us here in today's live stream. And I also want to thank those of you who will be watching on the replay too also as well. But before I go, I want to recognize Mr. Chocolatazo's comment. He says, for the cream team, he will help you with the cake mix to make that cake money. Yes, for sure. Bob is definitely. And Bob says, absolutely. I want all the YouTubers to get their business straight. Yes, for sure, for sure. And Bob is like one of the best people to help you guys to do that too also as well. So thank you so much to everyone who have joined tonight. If you commented, great. If you didn't comment and you just watch the live stream with us and you just listened in, that's great. If you asked questions here in the live stream, that was awesome. Thumbs up for that, for sure, for sure. And hit the thumbs up button too also as well. If you haven't already, hit the thumbs up button. Give us a like, share this video everywhere as much as you can too also as well. And from all of us here, me, Janelle, Bridget, and Panda, and all of us here at the How to Get an 800 Credit Score family, stay safe, be blessed, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye for now. Bye for now.